How to check Spotify Wrapped. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can check your Spotify Wrapped. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy actually, so let me guide you through the steps. Simply open up Spotify. Once you open up Spotify, you wanna use the search bar. Simply head over to search bar, tap on search, and now on search, you wanna type in WRAPPED Wrapped. Simply search in Wrapped, and now you'll be able to see all the Wrapped year 2024. You can see here mine 2024 here, and also all the previous years as well for how long you have been using the Spotify. It depends on that. Similarly, now if this is right, now we are on 2025. Now, if you want to get your Wrapped for 2025, you'll have to wait until the end of December. That is when the Wrapped is released for that particular year. So this is how you can get your Wrapped. Simply head over to search bar and get it on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.